Good morning, my dear student in grade 5. Our lesson today, the circle, we have part 2, unit 3, lesson 1. We know that before the circle is a closed curve and we have a fixed point. All points on a circle have the same distance from a fixed point. A fixed point, we said that before, called the center of a circle, and the distance called the radius. We have new words. First, the radius. The radius of a circle. The radius means line segment. Line segment between the center, and any point on the circle. We know that before we have point on the circle, we have point inside the circle, we have point out the circle, and we have point on the circle. So we have circle M and point A and B and C and D, all this point on the circle. So if we join between M and any one of them, that means this is called radius. So the radius is a line segment whose endpoints are center of a circle and any point belong to the circle or any point on the circle. Again, the radius is line segment joined between the center and any point on the circle. For example, line segment MA. Here we have line segment MA between M, this is the center, and between point A belong the circle and point A on the circle. And MB between the center and point on the circle. So this is called radius. Good. Line segment MC between the center M and C point on the circle, so this is called radius. So all radius are equal. MA equal MB equal MC equal MD. We denoted the radius before, we said that by R. So MA equal MB equal MC equal R. Then the next word, the chord. The chord of a circle. What's the meaning of chord? The chord also line segment, but join between 2 points on the circle. Any 2 points on the circle, we can join between them. That give me the chord. Again, the chord of a circle is line segment that connects between any 2 points on the circle. So if we join between any 2 points on the circle, this called chord. So we can say that B between point A and point B and point A and B on the circle, so this chord. CD between C and D on the circle, so we can say that this chord. So the chord of a circle is a line segment joined between 2 points on the circle. It's a line segment that connects between any 2 points on the circle, like A, B, like C, D. Here we need draw A, C. We need draw A, C, and line segment A, D. AC called what? We have A point on the circle and C point on the circle. So line segment AC connects between 2 points on the circle. So this is called what? This is called chord. Chord of a circle. And AD join between 2 points on the circle. So this also chord. And we have diameter. Diameter of a circle. What's the meaning of a diameter? The diameter is a chord. The diameter is chord that crosses the center. Must be cross the center. So this is called the chord. If the chord crosses the center, that means this is the diameter. So if we draw chord between any point on the circle, any 2 points on the circle, and cross the center, like line segment C, D. So line segment C, D is a chord because join between 2 points on the circle, and line segment C, D cross the center. So this is called what? It's called diameter. This is called diameter. So what's the meaning of diameter? The diameter is a chord. That means join between 2 points on the circle. But it crosses the center. Must be cross the center of a circle. So again, the diameter is a chord, but must be crosses the center of a circle. And must be know that the diameter is the greatest chord. The diameter is the greatest chord. So the greatest chord is diameter. And diameter equal what? We notice that point M in the middle. So line segment AB equal what? Equal MB and MA. And MB is a radius and MA is a radius. That means diameter equal 2 times radius. That means equal to R, because MB is radius R and MA radius R. So the diameter equal to R. Equal what? To R. The diameter is longest chord in a circle. So we have the radius. The radius join between the center and point on the circle. The chord join between 2 points on the circle. The diameter is a chord, so join between 2 points on the circle, but must crosses the center. And the diameter equal to radius, equal to R. Equal what? To R. We have brackets First, draw the circle of a radius 2 centimeter, where M is the center. So we need to draw the circle M, the radius equal to centimeter. How to do that? First, we put the center. Then we open your compasses 2 centimeter, because the radius equal to centimeter. Then put the metal type on the center. Then draw the circle. This circle M circle M this first letter. Draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter, where M is the center of a circle. First must be open your compasses 2 centimeter. Put it on ruler. Put a ruler. Then open it 2 centimeter. The second step, put the metal type on the center M. Then draw the circle. Letter B. On the same paper which you draw the circle, label the following point A and B and C, where MA equal 1.5. MA equal 1.5 means this is smaller than the radius. So this point inside the circle. So what we'll do, first put 0 on M. Then point A after 1.5. So we put point A. This point A. MA equal what? MA equal 1.5. Then we draw MB equal 3 centimeter. We put 0 on the center M, then B, M, B equals 3 centimeter. So this point B. And we join from M to B. MB equals 3 centimeter. MB more than the radius. That means point B outside the circle. So if I have line segment less than the radius, means this point inside the circle. This point inside the circle, like line segment MA. So point A inside the circle. If I have MB 3 centimeter more than the radius, that means outside the circle. And we need to draw MC equal 2 centimeter. That equals the radius. So 2 centimeter means this point exactly on the circle. Then we join MC, this point C, so if the line segment less than radius, that means inside the point inside the circle. If line segment more than radius, that means outside the circle. If the line segment equal radius, that means this point on the circle. Letter C. Complete by choosing on and outside and inside. First, point A is located. We notice that point A inside the circle. So, inside the circle. Point B outside the circle. Point C on the circle. Point M, this the center, means this inside the center, inside the circle. So we learned that how to draw the circle. Must be open your compass, equal radius, then put the metal type on the center, then draw the circle. An exercise in the opposite figure, there is a circle whose center M. Complete. The radii of the circle are what? The radius join between the center and any point on the circle. So, start from the center. Start from the center M. So, line segment MA. Line segment MB. Line segment MC. Line segment MD. So, any point between the center, any line segment between the center and any point on the circle, that means this radius. The diameter of a circle. The diameter is a longest chord and cross the center. So we have chord AC and cross the center M. So we have the diameter. The diameter of a circle is line segment AC. The chord of the circle R. The chord that means join between any 2 points on the circle. We have point A on the circle and B and C and B. So line segment A, D, line segment A, B, and line segment B, C. All this point on the circle, and line segment D, C. All this point on the circle, if we join between them, that means this the chord. So the radius between the center and any point on the circle, the diameter between 2 points on the circle and must cross the center, the chord between any 2 points on the circle. Thank you.